Hey, Greg Spindler here. How many of you are struggling with their massage and bodywork practice? What I've done since 1997 is to create more value within my scope of practice, meaning I can teach my clients more things every time they come in, which creates more value to my business to where the clients that come through here, they want to spend more time with me because they're gaining more education, getting more value from the time they spend with me. So keep learning, go to workshops, go to conventions, read books, try something new. Spread that information that you gain with your clients to where they want to come back and see that they're getting more value for the time they spend with you. So that's all you got to do is create more value in your business so your business becomes more valuable. I'll talk to you soon.